So I figured I'd share with you how I make my morning coffee. I heat up a little bit of water. One in here. I've got some of this Jambo Daily Ritual Supercharged Butter, which has got CBD, about 50 milligrams per this whole bottle of cannabidiol, and ghee. I pour a little bit of that in here. That's what's at the bottom of this right now. Just a tiny bit, not too much. And then I use my favorite coffee. It's a Chameleon cold brew. It's this black coffee here with the green brand. And I noticed it has no immunostimulatory properties. Then after doing that, this is probably hot enough. I only put a little bit of water in it. And since this is cold brew and this is ghee, you gotta mix it together. All right, so I take the Chameleon coffee and just pour it. I pour it halfway. Now, if I were to leave it like this, see, it gets all chunky like that. That's why I use the hot water to try to neutralize it, get it a little bit better. Now, you could microwave this, but it may oxidize a little bit. And then after doing that, just grab a spoon. And there you go. Morning cup of joe.